Longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string, yes, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. So what's the problem? We are given a string. We have to find the length of the longest substring that has no repeating characters. Substring means continuous character. We do not need the substring itself, only its length. Example, we have A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B. Okay. I start from the first character. I take A, then A, B, then A, B, C. All characters are different. All characters are different till now. Okay. After that, A comes again. So repetition happens. So the longest substring without repetition is A, B, C. Okay. Length is equal to 3. And we have B, 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 B. All characters are same, so I can take only one B. So length 1. If I check all substring one by one, it will take too much time, so we need a faster approach. To solve this efficiently, we use the sliding window technique. I imagine a window moving on the string. This window always contains unique characters. To build this solution, I use a left pointer. Left pointer start of the window I, end of the window map, store last index of characters. Okay. Let's dry run this. A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B. A is at 0 index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's start. Left is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, A. Okay. Now map is look like this. A is at 0 index. Window A. Window till now A, and max length 1. So I is here, I comes here. Next step, I comes here, index at B. I is equal to 1, B. Map will look like A at index 0, B at index 1. Now window A, B. Max length 2. Okay. Now I comes here at second index. I is equal to 2, C. Map will be look like this. A at 0 index, B at 1 index, C at 2 index. Now our window will be look like this. A, B, C. Now max length is 3 because they are all unique characters. Okay. Now our icon come here. Play. A. I is equal to 3. A. A is a repeated character. So we have seen A at last time at index 0. Last time we have seen this in last time index 0. So left is equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So our left is here. Okay, left is here. If we do 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, left comes here. Okay. Here. Now our window is look like this. B, C, A. And A we come like we have seen A last time at index 3. Step 5. I comes here. I is equal to 4. B also a repeated character. We have seen B at last time index. Last time we have seen this at index 1. So what we do, left is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Yeah. Now map of B will become 4. The window will be look like this. CAB. Window will be look like this, and this will also be cut. This will also be cut. They are deleted. Okay. Now our I come here at C. 5. I is equal to 5. C also repeated. Okay. Last time I have C at index 2. Last time I have seen this C it at index 2. Here C is here in index 2. What we are going to do, left is equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now map of C become at index 5. Window will become like A, B, C. A, B, C. Now I will be increment. I will become here at index 6. I is equal to 6. B. Last we have seen this last time. Last index is 4. So what we will do, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now map of B equal to 6. Window will become like C and B. Okay. Now I comes here. I is equal to 7. B. Last time we have seen this at index 6. Okay. So left is equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Map of B equal to 7. Now this window will be look like B. So what's the maximum length is 3. From the rail run I understand move I forward. If a character repeat inside window, move left. Okay. If a character repeats inside the window, move left. Update map with the latest index. Okay. Here we have update A with the 3 and B with the 6 like this. Okay. Calculate window length at every step. Let's write down the code. First we are going to create map to store the last index of each character. Okay. Map. Okay. And now we get int left because mark the starting index of the sliding window equal to 0. Int max length also 0. This will store the maximum length found. Loop for int I equal to 0, I is less than s dot length. Loop through the string using index I as the end of. Now लेखा current equal to string yes of I. Current characters at index I. Current character at index I. if wait if the character is already in map and its last index is inside the current window, what we are going to if map dot find what current current map dot find dot current is not equal to map dot end. Okay, and map of current less than equal to left. Left, yes. Now next step is left equal to map of current is 1, because move the left pointer to remove the duplicate characters. Okay, move the left pointer to remove duplicate characters. Update. Now we are going to update the last index of the current character in the map of current equal to I. Now we are calculate the current window length and update maximum length. Max length equal to max length I minus left 1. Now we are just going to return the maximum length of the substring without repeating characters. Return the max length. That's it. So the time complexity is, so the time complexity is big of n, because each character is visited one, and space complexity is big of n because we use a map. This is how we solve longest substring without repeating characters using a sliding window technique.